They have ample training space, they have shower facility, they have dietitian, they have discount for students, they have personal trainers, and they have very friendly environment. So make sure that you are there. Alright, one request to the people who the first cause for the strongman competition. Remember, the winner gets to walk away with 30,000, the second 20,000, and a third 10,000, plus winning certificates and then the bragging rights, and then a title, the strongest man here in Abilene. Ladies and gentlemen, two champions, vying for one title. Not only that, will the winner be able to defend a title or Himanjan Sayaze, Morom Brunel, Laga Lagi Ulio organization Chris Nago Vane Janai Hello, a strongman competitor competing in his first. This is the drop pool to be attended by Mr. Watambulo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, he is Mr. Kevin, only 17 years of age, and this is his second competition. Until now, he's defeated the time is to Mr. Kevin Lina for completing the first task. All the competitors are given a time of 2 minutes. Timing is very crucial, plus the distance covered by the competitor. That's very crucial again. This is Mr. Hauke in his first attempt.
Momentum. Keep the momentum. Yes, keep the momentum going. Easy, go. Easy. Come on. Almost there. Come on. Pull. Tani. Right. Almost there. Right. Almost.
Alright, the distance cover will be taken into account. Mr. Hawke will be pretty good up to it. Mr. Vikas, National Beach Volley Champion in the year 2019. He is Mr. National Universe. He is Manipur Powerlifting Champion, and he is Northeast Strongman 2022 under 90 kilos. And he is here trying his hand on the chalk pole for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, he is Mr. Vikas.
Yes. Tali. Vikas, tali. You are the safe. Come on, Vikas. Come on. Tali. Come on. Yes, Vikas, come on. Push your limit. Come on.
Mr. Sede Vizo, and is currently the strongest man in Nagaland. And this is his first attempt on a chalk pull. Mr. Sede Vizo, the strongest man in Nagaland, and this is his first chalk pull.
Come on, go. Come on. Finish. Check.